Good morning, students. Welcome to 9th Standard Mathematics. Before entering into the topic, I just want to remind you that please keep your notebook and pen ready to take notes. In the last session, we have learnt about the polynomials and the types of polynomials, that is monomial, binomial and trinomial. The definition of monomial is a polynomial having only one term is called a monomial. And the definition of binomial is a polynomial having two terms is called a binomial. And the definition of trinomial is a polynomial having three terms is called a trinomial. Also, based on the degree, the polynomial can be classified into three types, that is called linear polynomial and quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Also, in the last session, we have studied about zeros of polynomial. In this session, we are going to learn exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.4 is given in page number 101 in your book. Before entering into exercise 3.4, let us see some of the algebraic identities. Algebraic identities. First algebraic identity is a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. The same identity will be right in this way also. A plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3ab into a plus b plus b cube. The second identity is a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. The same identity will be right in this way also. A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3ab into a minus b minus b cube. Expand 3a minus 4b the whole cube. Solution. Now we have to expand 3a minus 4b the whole cube. This problem is looking like the identity a minus b the whole cube. This problem is looking like the identity a minus b the whole cube. A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus minus b cube. A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now here in this problem, take a is equal to 3a. A is equal to 3a. In the place of a, we have 3a in this problem. So take a is equal to 3a and take the value of b is equal to what? 4b. In the place of b, we have 4b here. So take b is equal to 4b. Okay. Now a minus b the whole cube. So in the place of a, we have to put 3a. 3a minus, in the place of b, we have 4b here. So 3a minus 4b the whole cube is equal to, the identity is a cube. So in the place of a, substitute 3a. 3a the whole cube minus, in the identity we have 3 here. So put 3 and then a square. The value of a is 3a. So 3a the whole square and then b, the value of b is 4b. So substitute 4b in the place of b. Again plus, in the identity we have 3. So put 3 here, and then a is 3a into b square. B is 4b. So substitute in the place of b as 4b. So 4b the whole square minus b cube. So b in the place of b we have to put 4b. So 4b the whole cube, which is equal to, now we have to expand this, 3a the whole cube. So we will write it as 3 cube and a cube. We will write this as 3 cube and a cube minus here 3 into 3a the whole square. So we will write it as 3 square and a square into 4b plus 3 into 3a. So 4b the whole square can be written as 4 square and b square minus here 4b the whole cube can be written as 4 cube into b cube. Now 3 cube is nothing but 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 a cube. 27 a cube minus 3 into 3 square. 3 square is 3 3s are 9. So put 9. 3 3s are 9. Again a square. A the whole square is a square into 4b plus here we have 3 into 3a 4 square. 4 square is 4 4s are 16. 16 b square minus 4 cube. 4 cube is nothing but 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 64 b cube. Now 27a cube minus multiply the constant term. 3 9s are 27. 27 into 4. 27 into 4 is 162. 162 multiplying the variables a square into b. A square into b is a square b plus here in this term multiply the constant first. 3 3s are 9. 9 into 16. 9 into 16 is 144. 16 9s are 144 and multiplying the variables a into b square. A into b square is a b square minus 64 b cube. This is the answer for this fourth sum. So I'll repeat it once again. The question is 3a minus 4b the whole cube. This problem is looks like the identity a minus b the whole cube. A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So here in this place of a we have 3a in the problem. So substitute a is equal to 3a and b is equal to 4b. So in the place of a we have to put 3a and in the place of b we have to put 4b. So 3a minus 4b the whole cube is equal to, so substitute a in the place of, substitute 3a in the place of a and substitute 4b in the place of b in this identity. So after simplifying this we get 27a cube minus 162a square b plus 144ab square minus 64a cube. 64b cube. Exercise 3.4 fifth sum first subdivision. Exercise 3.4 fifth sum. Evaluate the following by using identities. Fifth sum first subdivision is 98 cube and second subdivision is 1001 cube. Now we'll see the first subdivision. Solution. The question is first subdivision is 98 cube. we have to write this 98 in the form of a plus b or a minus b. 98 can be written as 100 minus 2. Isn't it? 100 minus 2 is 98. So, we can write 98 as 100 minus 2. 100 minus 2 the whole cube. Here cube we have, so put 100 minus 2 the whole cube. Now, in this problem, this 100 minus 2 the whole cube looks like the identity a minus b the whole cube. So, a minus b the whole cube is equal to, we know the identity is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube. Now, in this problem, the place of a we have 100 here. So, a is equal to 100 and in the place of b we have 2 in this problem. So, put b is equal to 2. Now, we have to substitute a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 2 in this identity. So, a minus b, a is 100, 100 minus 2 the whole cube is equal to a cube can be written as 100 cube. So, in the place of a we have to substitute 100. So, 100 cube minus 3 into a square. Again a is 100. So, 100 the whole square into b. So, in the place of b we have to put 2 plus 3 into a. In the place of a put 100 and b square. In the place of b put 2 square minus b cube. The value of b is 2. So, 2 the whole cube. Now, we have to simplify this equation. 100 cube. 100 into 100 into 100. 100 cube is nothing but 10 lakhs. 100 into 100 into 100 minus 3 into 100 square is 100 into 100. So, 10,000 into 2 plus 3 into 100 into 2 square is nothing but 2 2s are 4 minus 2 cube. 2 cube is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 cube can be written as 8. So, which is equal to 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs minus multiplying these three constant terms. We have 3 into 10,000, 30,000 into 2 is 60,000, isn't it? 60,000 plus 3 into 100, 300, 300 into 4 is 1,200 minus 8. Now, first add the like terms. Here, 10 lakhs and 1,200 is in positive sign. So, first add these two numbers and then these two numbers are in negative sign. So, add these two numbers first. 10 lakhs and 1,200. Adding these two values, we will get 10 lakhs and 1,200 minus adding 60,008, we will get 60,008. Adding these two values, we get 60,008 and adding 10 lakhs and 1,200, we get 10 lakhs 1,200. Now we have to subtract 60,008 from 10 lakhs 1,200. So the answer is 9 lakhs and 41,192. This is the answer for the fifth sum, first subdivision. Exercise 3.4, fifth sum, second subdivision. Exercise 3.4, fifth sum, second subdivision. 1001 the whole cube. Solution is 1001 the whole cube can be written as 1000 plus 1. 1001 can be written as 1000 plus 1. So in the place of A, we can take the numbers 100, 1000, 10,000 like. Okay, like that. Okay, now 1001 the whole cube can be written as 1000 plus 1 the whole cube. Now this problem is same as the identity A plus B the whole cube. So A plus B the whole cube is equal to, we know the identity A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. So A plus B the whole cube is equal to A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. Now in the problem, in the place of A we have 1000. So put A is equal to 1000. Put A is equal to 1000, and in the place of B we have 1 here. So B is equal to 1. A is equal to 1000 and B is equal to 1. Now A plus B the whole cube. So we can write 1000 plus 1 the whole cube. In the place of A we have to put 1000 and in the place of B we have to substitute 1. So 1000 plus 1 the whole cube is equal to again A cube. So A is nothing but 1000. So put 1000 the whole cube plus 3 into A square B. A is nothing but 1000. So 1000 the whole square into B. B, the value of B is 1. So 1 plus again we have 3AB square. So put 3 in the place of A we have to write 1000. 1000 into B square. B square is nothing but 1. 1 the whole square plus B cube. B is nothing but 1. So 1 the whole cube, which is equal to 1000 the whole cube is nothing but 1000 into 1000 into 1000. So it can be written as 1000 into 1000 into 1000 can be written as, now 1000 into 1000 into 1000 is 100 crore. 100 crore plus 3 into 1000 the whole square can be written as 1000 into 1000. So it is 10 lakhs. It is 10 lakhs plus 3 into 1000 into 1. 3 into 1000 into 1 square is 1. 1 cube is 1 into 1 into 1. So it is 1. Now 100 crores plus 3 into 10 lakhs is nothing but 30 lakhs plus 3 into 1000 into 1 can be written as 3000. 3 into 1000, 3000 plus 1. So adding these numbers, all the numbers are in positive sign. So adding these values we will get 100 crores 30 lakhs 100 crores 30 lakhs and 3001. 100 crores 30 lakhs 3001. Adding these values we will get 100 crores 30 lakhs 3001. This is the answer for the second subdivision. Fifth sum, second subdivision. Before entering into the next sum of exercise 3.4, let us see some of the algebraic identities. Next algebraic identity is, first, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. And the second identity is a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b the whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Exercise 3.4 7th sum. Exercise 3.4 7th sum. Find 27a cube plus 64b cube if 3a plus 4b is equal to 10 and ab is equal to 2. Now the solution is given. What are the values given in the sum? 3a plus 4b is equal to 10 and the value of ab is also given. ab is equal to 2. Now we have to identify 27a cube plus 64b cube, which is equal to 27 can be written as 3 cube, because 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 27 can be written as 3 cube and a cube, plus 64 can be written as, in the similar way, 64 can be written as 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So 4 cube into b cube. 27 can be written as 3 cube and this a cube is a cube itself, and plus 64 can be written as 4 cube and b cube. Now 3 cube a cube can be written as 3a the whole cube, plus 4 cube b cube can be written as 4b the whole cube. Therefore 27a cube plus 64b cube is equal to 3a the whole cube plus 4b the whole cube. Now we have to find, in the question they are asking find 27a cube plus 64b cube. So which is equal to 3a the whole cube plus 4b the whole cube. Therefore 3a the whole cube plus 4b the whole cube is equal to, this is look like the identity a cube plus b cube, isn't it? So write the identity a cube plus b cube is equal to, a cube plus b cube is equal to what? A plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Now we have to find 3a the whole cube plus 4b the whole cube. So in the place of a we have 3a here. So a is equal to 3a, and in the place of b we have 4b here. So b is equal to 4b. So a is equal to 3a and b is equal to 4b. Therefore 3a the whole cube plus 4b the whole cube is equal to, in the place of a I am substituting 3a and in the place of b I am substituting 4b. So a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube. The value of a is 3a. 3a plus the value of b is 4b. In the place of b we have to substitute 4b. So 4b the whole cube is equal minus here we have 3. So 3 into a. In the place of a we have to substitute 3a into b. In the place of b we have to substitute 4b into a plus b. A plus b is nothing but 3a plus 4b. Now 3a plus 4b. In the sum they are given the value of 3a plus 4b is equal to 10. Therefore 3a plus 4b is 10 the whole cube minus multiplying the constant terms. We have 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36, and multiplying the variables a into b is ab into 3a plus 4b. So 10 cube is nothing but 10 into 10 into 10, which is 1000 minus 36 ab into 3a plus 4b. The value of 3a plus 4b is 10 again, which is equal to 1000 minus 36 into the value of AB given in the sum. The value of AB is 2 and this 10, which is equal to 1000 minus 36 into 2 is 72. 72 into 10 is 720. 36 into 2 is 72. 72 into 10 is 720. So 1000 minus 720. 1000 minus 720 is nothing but 280. This is the answer for the exercise 3.4 8th sum. Find x cube minus y cube if x minus y is equal to 5 and xy is equal to 14. Solution. Given, what are the values given in the sum? Given x minus y is equal to 5 and also given xy is equal to 14. Now we have to find x cube minus y cube is equal to what? We have to find the value of x cube minus y cube. So we know the identity a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube is equal to what? A minus b the whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. So a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b the whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Now we have to identify x cube minus y cube, isn't it? In the sum they are asking find x cube minus y cube. So in the place of x, so in the place of a we have to substitute x. A is equal to x, and in the place of b we have to substitute y. B is equal to y. So take a is equal to x and b is equal to y. So x cube minus y cube is equal to what here? A minus b the whole cube. So we should write x minus y the whole cube plus 3 into, in the place of a we have to put x and in the place of b we have to put y. 3xy into again a is here, so put x minus y. A minus b becomes x minus y. Now x minus y the whole cube. So given x minus y is equal to 5. Given in the sum the value of x minus y is 5. So in the place of x minus y we have to substitute 5. So 5 cube plus 3 into xy. What is the value of xy? Xy is 14. So 3 into 14 into x minus y. Again x minus y is 5. So x minus y is equal to 5. So 5 cube is nothing but 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 into 5 into 5 is what? 125. 5 into 5 is 25. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 is 125. Plus 3 into 14 into 5. 3 into 14 into 5 is 210. So adding these two values 125 plus 210 is equal to 335. This is the answer for the 8th sum. So once again I repeat the sum. 8th sum, find x cube minus y cube if, once again I repeat, 8th sum, find x cube minus y cube if x minus y is equal to 5 and xy is equal to 14. So given in the sum x minus y, the value of x minus y is 5 and the value of xy is 14. Now we have to find the value of x cube minus y cube. So this problem is looking like the identity a cube minus b cube. We know a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b the whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. So here In the place of A we have to put x, and in the place of B we have to put y. So a cube minus b cube will become x cube minus y cube, which is equal to x minus y the whole cube plus 3xy into x minus y. The value of x minus y is given. So the value of x minus y is 5. Substitute here 5 the whole cube plus 3 into the value of xy. Xy is 14. 14 into the value of x minus y is again 5. So substitute 5 here. 5 cube is nothing but 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 is 125. Plus 3 into 14 into 5 is 210. Adding these two values we get 335. This is the answer for the 8th sum. Students, these sums are homework sums for you. Practice these sums in your notebook and submit when school reopens. And using the following link, you can get more details relative to the topic. And if you have any doubt in this session, it will be clarified when school reopens.